boy is reading. लड़का पढ़ रहा है. अस्सलामु अलैकुम और उर्दू मास्टर पे खुश आमदीद. Our today's video is unique because it is not referred from any book. It is knowledge of everyday use. So it will be useful and I will try to keep it simple. Now straight to the point, and the point is in Urdu language few basic rules applies for transforming verb or any word, and these rules works on most of words. Few words are different, so that rule does not work on these words. We will discuss them later. For now, let's get to the point. And rules are: rule number 1. A masculine word ends with alif at the end. For example, boy, ladka. And a feminine word ends with ye at the end. For example, girl, ladki. Rule number 2. To make a masculine from singular to pillular, we need to replace alif with choti ye. That's how ladka changes to ladke. That means boys. And to make feminine word from singular to pillular, we need to replace ye with alif and silent no at the end. That's how ladki changes to ladkiyan. That means girls. Rule number 3. Adjectives and some verbs also have same gender as the nouns with whom they are related, like boy is reading, लड़का पढ़ रहा है, tall boy, लंबा लड़का, girl is reading, लड़की पढ़ रही है, tall girl, लंबी लड़की, boys are reading, लड़के पढ़ रहे हैं, tall boys, लंबे लड़के. Rule number 3.1. For feminine singular and pillular, adjectives stays same. For example, tall girl, लंबी लड़की, tall girls, लंबी लड़कियाँ. Rule number 3.2. If there are both masculine and feminine, then masculine rules will be applied. For example, boys and girls are reading. लड़के और लड़कियां पढ़ रहे हैं. Small boys and girls, छोटे लड़के और लड़कियां. In case of verbs, this rule also applies for feminines only. Girls are reading. लड़कियां पढ़ रही हैं. We have created a list of this kind of words. Have a look at them. बच्चा, बच्चे, बच्ची, बच्चियाँ, गाड़ी, गाड़ियाँ, मुर्गा, मुर्गे, मुर्गी, मुर्गियाँ, गया, गए, गई, सारा, सारे, सारी, कितना, कितने, कितनी, तुम्हारा, तुम्हारे, तुम्हारी, खाया, खाए, खाई. There are a lot of words of this kind. Tip of the day: try reading Urdu posters, books, online news and newspapers. It will help you in 3 ways. Number 1. Improves reading skills. Number 2. Increases your words treasury. Number 3. Helps to understand sentence structure. It was all for the day. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and Allah Hafiz.